Hi everyone, this is Nichelle Anderson. I'm about to go ahead and demonstrate how to use the discount codes on my brand MOLIAE Beauty. I wanted to kind of show that. I wanted to show the steps how you can use the discount codes that are released, and it's only through if you're connected through MOLIAE Beauty, my brand, through the e-newsletter. You can go to moliaebeauty.com and that's where you would be able to sign up. In the menu, it'll say join a newsletter, or you'll get a pop-up to say, do you want to go ahead and join? And I am trying to increase my members that want to join by text as well. So if you do see that pop up, sometimes it does show depending on the time of day. Go ahead and consider to sign up for text messages as well if you so choose. And of course the newsletter. That's where you get the discount codes. Be a part of my newsletter family at MOLIAE Beauty. And this particular presentation, you're going to hear this in a moment. It is a video with that. So in the description of this podcast episode, you can go ahead and click on that video. It'll take you to where you can view that. You can either view that on one of my social media. All the links will be in the description pretty much, where you can go either directly on my website to view it, on the blog, or on my social media. It'll have the link there. So anyhow, I just want to kind of give like a quick introduction. This is my first time, 9 years podcasting, and I really focus on an episode about one of my brands. I mean, really specifically for this one, I have not. The other ones I have, MOLIAE World with the NFTs, but this is my beauty for kings and queens, a natural organic healing type of products. And this particular week, we're releasing a discount code on site that is going to automatically apply when you put the items in your cart. What I'm demonstrating right now is where you're a part of the e-newsletter family, you received the email and you got the codes. How do you use it? That's what this presentation would be about. The other one, all you got to do is add the cart, check out, you will see the discount there before you check out, and you can go forward, all right? This one is on top of that. So you'll get that as well as this special code that is only exclusive to those that are subscribed to MOLIAE Beauty newsletter. How do you apply it? This presentation will be only on the PC. I try to make plans to see how you could do it on the phone, but it's pretty much the same. You will go to the menu like I'm going to describe and show you, and then it'll take you right there where you put the code in. So do take a look, and if you have any questions, you can email me either at info@nichelleanderson.com or info@moliaebeauty.com. And this is a way that you can get freebies. If you are joining the newsletter, I'm showing you how you can get those freebies and showing you how you can use those discount codes going forward when we have more promotions. All right, this is Nichelle Anderson, and thank you so much for supporting my podcast, my dream, and my journey. All right, so this is Nichelle at MOLIAE Beauty. We're going to go ahead and get into this, how you can use the extra discounts, the extra freebies that you can get if you subscribe to our newsletter fam, all right? If you already have, this would definitely help you to show you how you can use those discount codes, right? And what do you have to do to be able to receive the freebies that you're going to get, or if it's a extra percentage off. This particular week, we are doing the virtual pop-up online sale where you get 15% off on top of already sale price items or any other items on the store-wide. All you have to do is just add the item to your cart and you're good to go. This particular presentation is about if you're subscribed to our newsletter family, and we sent out 2 coupons that you can use, 2 discount codes that you can use, and you can get either the Blue Now Attune body spray, or you can get another coupon, another discount code was where you can get the actual MOLIAE Esprit Gold collection. That's over $130, if that more. You can get that for free if your order totals a certain amount. So what I'm going to describe is how you can get those 2 separate freebies based on the code that you use. So here is MOLIAE Beauty, the home page. And the first thing you're going to do with this particular promotion is your order total. Sometimes we have different type of promotions. You just buy a certain thing and then you'll get the same thing back. This is where you have to have your order total a certain amount. So basically what we're going to do, I already got something in my cart, but what I'm going to do is just kind of like Let's see here. That out the way. I'm going to just kind of add something. So you just kind of got to go through it so you can kind of see everything. And I'm going to try to do that. When I do that and it's recording, sometimes it takes a while for it to load. But basically what I did, I went ahead and just added the item that's going to be over the amount. This particular code, the order has to be over $25. And then once you do that, then you would go select the freebie. You will know what the freebie is because you subscribe to the newsletter. So right now, all right, so I'm going to select, I just click on this one, and then I'm going to go ahead pop up, and then it has a timer. If you just want that one, you could just click that and add to cart. Nicole, I wanted to show this. Okay, so this where you see where it populates your cart, and then right behind it's like another like image of the cart. That's when sometimes we X out by mistake. You will still have the cart listed there. I just saying, do you really want to X out or you good? So here I have the two, this out the way. Items is definitely over $25, and then you're going to see the site promo. You're trying to get to, so it's going to take you right here to the checkout, and this is where you put that is in the newsletter. Now it's not going to take because I didn't add the freebie, and the freebie is the Attune. So what I'm going to do, I didn't have to click checkout, so sorry about that. But even if you did, you could just X out of it and you can come up here and get the Attune. So you could just type in the name of what you're trying. Say, I just want one. I don't want the recommendation, at least. And that should highlight that you can add that to cart. Right. It should show free. It's not going to show that now because I haven't put the code in. So what I'm going to do, that should take me directly here. Now I'm going to key in the code. And the code is in the newsletter. As I get there. Okay, hold on one second, y'all. Grab it. And I'm going to put it there. Because you're already getting the site ride code. Now I'm going to get that. I'm going to click apply. And this should be 0. You see that? Bam, so it's 0. So you get that free. So you're getting the site 15% off, and you're getting the newsletter family code by getting something for free because your order total is over the minimum. This code, it has to be over $25. The other one has to be over $89, and then you'll go pick up the MOLIAE Esprit Gold collection. You'll add it to your cart. You'll key in that code for my newsletter. Click apply, and bam, you're getting it for free. You see that? And then you just fill out the rest on the left side. All right. You have any questions or anything like that, we're here to help. Again, thank you so much for live chat. Noah's there to help. He knows the whole store. The discounts kind of change. He might say he's not familiarized with it. Just go ahead and send us a contact message, or you can text us and we'll be happy to help to make sure you get that code. All right. Talk to you in the next one. Thank you so much.